There are 5 skin types: oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, and normal skin. Which one do you have? Today I'm gonna help you identify your skin type, because understanding your skin type is the foundation of a good skincare routine. It helps you choose the right skincare product that is tailored to your skin type and the ones to avoid in order not to make things worse. Hi everyone, if you're new, my name is Stella and you are welcome to my humble abode. Feel at home. In this video, I'm gonna show you 2 methods on how to identify your skin type. All the methods I'm gonna show you in this video are very easy to do. If you're at home, you can get your ass up your bed and do it right now. I don't see what's stopping you, so please let's get into the video. This is the easiest way to check your skin type. Get a blotting paper or a tissue paper. It doesn't really matter. I'm using a tissue. Use it and pat on your face like this. Under here, here, and here. If you notice any shine or the paper is wet, just know you have oily skin. If your paper is not wet and doesn't have any shine on it, that means you have dry skin. This is just the easiest way to check your skin type, but don't do this immediately after shower. Do this after a long day, or maybe you've showered for like a long period of hours. Yes, that's when you can do this method. But if you just showered, this method is not what you're gonna use. I'm gonna show you the method you're going to use. For this method, we are going to wash our face together. I hope you're doing this with me. You're not just sitting there watching me. This is a practical tip. You're supposed to be doing it with me, unless you're at work. But if you're at home, I don't see what is stopping you from doing this right now. So we're going to take our cleanser, whatever cleanser you're using. I'm using Face Facts. Yeah. To wash our face. After washing your face, don't do nothing. Don't apply anything on your face. If possible, I normally let my face air dry because I don't trust my towel at all. Like, you know, the detergents we're using to wash towel. But anyway, you can clean your face if you like. You can just leave it to air dry, but whichever one you choose, don't apply anything on your face. Wait for like an hour or 2. Pay attention to your face to know how it feels. So if you're doing this with me, put your timer to 2 hours. I'm going to put mine too. So we're setting our timer to 2 hours. Start. 2 hours. Stop. It's almost night time right now. After 2 hours of waiting, this is how my face. I think I have oily skin. As you can see, I have shine all over here and here. Yeah. I think I have oily skin because even without this test, my face always feels so oily. Like, oh, I always have a lot of shine on my face. Like, so it's always good to do this test accurately. Were you able to identify your skin type? If so, leave a comment down below, okay? Because I also want to know your skin type. Okay. Does your skin feel tight, rough, and flaky? That's a sign of dry skin and you need extra hydration because your skin lacks moisture. So please try using product that has ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramide to boost hydration. If your face feels smooth, balanced, and you rarely break out, congrats, you probably have normal skin and this is the least problematic skin. You are lucky. Do you have oily skin, like you find your skin always blotting out oil all the time and you have shine all day on your face, congrats, you are part of the oily skin girlies. But good news, you know, oily skin tends to age slower, so don't worry. Try using a product that has salicylic acid in it to control the oil production. It will help you a lot to avoid breakout. Oily skin is prone to acne. Just know that, because production of oil clog pores, and clogged pores produce acne. So please try to use salicylic acid in your routine. There are other ingredients that you can use. You can use niacinamide, but salicylic acid is really good in controlling oil production. So please try to add that into your routine. For oily skin girlies, this salicylic acid is really good. So please, if you can, add it to your routine and thank me later. If your T-zone is oily, that's your nose, your forehead and your chin is oily, but your cheek and every other place is dry, that means you have combination skin, and combination skin needs a balanced routine. That's something hydrating but not too heavy. Do you experience irritation, redness or breakouts when trying new products? You might have sensitive skin, so please stick to gentle, fragrance-free formulas, something soothing so it doesn't irritate your skin. So there you have it. I hope by now you know how to identify your skin type. If this video is helpful to you, please give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.